A safe alert has been issued for Peoria Police Department. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Peoria Police Department is looking for a white male, Vincent Stover, 28 years old, 5 foot 5 inches, 215 lbs, with black hair and brown eyes. Vincent was last seen on January 19, 2026 at 1030 hours, near the 11200 block of North 99th Avenue, Peoria, Arizona, Maricopa County. Vincent was last seen wearing a blue shirt, gray shorts and glasses. Vincent has a medical condition that can cause him to become easily confused and also suffers from paranoia around unknown people, to include police. If you have contact with this safe alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.